First, I will just take a moment to just share a little bit about Alan, because I'm not sure how much everyone knows about Alan. So, Alan is one of the most successful companies when it comes to test prep. Whether you take the IIT JEE exam or the medical entrance exam, which is NEET, or foundational courses for 6 to 10 as well. Over the course of our 35-year legacy, we've taught about 2.5 million students. And if you look at the top engineering and medical institutes, over 20% of the students would have studied from Alan. And I think what is really most special is that over this course of 35 years, we have really understood what it takes to make a student successful, to make them successfully prepared for some of these competitive exams. And we have, of course, most of our presence has been so far in the offline world, right? We have classroom programs that we run. But about 3 years ago, we decided to also teach students online, because there were many students who don't have access to these classroom programs, right? And this has been, when we started about 3 years ago, really most of the work in terms of technology and bringing digital access to a lot of these students has started over the course of last year and a half to 2 years. And today is a very momentous occasion for us, because a lot of the hard work that we have poured in, we actually have success to show there. Right? We have Avik with us, who is AIR 69, All India rank 69 for the joint entrance exam. Not only that, he has also written the medical exam at the same time, where he has scored 705 out of 720. And he is also among the rank 7 in his West Bengal JEE exam. So it's a very, very special achievement, and we also, as Alan Online, we are very, very proud of course, what our students have accomplished, but it's also a moment of celebration for us, because the effort we have put in is starting to show, right? We also have Mayuk with us, who has scored AIR 161 in the IIT Joint Entrance exam. And like I said, our experience on online, we started with the belief that there are many students who don't have access to offline, and truly we believe that if we look at a student's learning journey, there is a lot of learning that happens just outside of the lectures, right? Whether it's mentorship, whether it's test, whether it's practice, whether it's doubts. And we believe that digital can truly differentiate, add differentiation there and add a lot of value there.
I am Avik Das, and I got AIR 69 in JEE Advanced 2024, and along with that I got 705 out of 720 in the NEET exam, the medical exam. And my experience with Alan Online was very good, because I got the support of teachers, Alan teachers, and I got extremely high quality digital material. Not only that, I got many features like personalized test, improvement book, and all these custom practice, frequent mock tests, and also my experience with Alan Online was extremely good.
I'm Mohit Chaudhary. I got rank 161 in JEE Advanced 2024. My experience with the online medium was extremely fantastic. The classes were very interactive, and the features which are available on the app, the regular testing, the improvement book, the custom practice, they were all very, very beneficial for us to secure these ranks.
What is your forward plans in future?
As I said, I don't really have, I don't know what I will be doing after 5 or 6 years. But right now I want to go to IIT and then see what interests me, and I will follow my interest.
Okay.